This is Steffanie. Welcome to Designs by Steffanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that. I would love to have you as part of the DBS family. Today, I have for you another wig review. I have for you this wig here. Let me make sure it is in frame. This is the Bobbi Boss. It is a premium lace front wig. It is a 4x4 and it's in the style MLF270 and it's the name Fendi and the color is F427, and this unit is heat safe. It doesn't say how high, so it's usually 350 to 400 degrees. So if you would like to see the unboxing of this unit, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get to the unboxing. If you like the unit I have on, please click this little eye up here. It will link you to the review of this unit so that you can check that out as well. It's boxed per usual, how all of these things are boxed. Okay, let's see what the stock card on it. The stock card just has nothing. Just telling you about the wig. It doesn't have any care instructions or anything on it. The care instructions are actually on the back of the box. So, oh, I like the inside of this. So let's take a look at the inside of the unit. It does come with one 2-inch comb at the back. It also has two 1-inch combs on each side of the 4x4 closure. It has a full cap, but it is very, very stretchy. And it has the two adjustable straps on the back. And this is a silk-based closure. And it also has the soft lace on the front of the unit. So this says it's a 4x4, but it actually looks a little smaller. But so that is it for the construction of the inside. And of course you will have the parting space. This is probably about, I don't know how long. This is about 20 inches. Yeah, this is about 20, maybe 22 if we stretch it length forward in the back. So if you like to see the try on, then stay tuned. Okay, this wig is big head friendly because I actually have the adjustable straps side by side as I usually do, and sometimes it's tight, but this one is not tight at all. It actually is a little bit loose. So this is the big head friendly unit. So if you have a small head, it may not be snug enough, but let's see how it comes up. Okay, on the sides, it actually comes up fairly far. It just leaves the tips out. It's covering my hairline completely. Just about. Just leaving a little teeny bit out on each side. However, it's not laying really flat. So you may have to put a, I don't know. If you glue it down, I guess it'll work, but I don't do all that. I'm not messing up my edges. And as far as shedding, I cut the lace, so let me brush it out first and see, because usually when I cut the lace, it actually sheds a little bit around the perimeter of it. The hair is very soft. It feels very dense. It doesn't feel really thin. I do like the color as well as the length. It's not too long. But it is shedding. I don't know if it's just from the cutting, but that's what I'm getting for shedding. And let you guys see the parting space. So you probably would have to of course, if you want to pluck your edges a little bit so it'll look more natural, if you want to do that, or pull out a little bit of your own hair. And the parting space is from here to here, so just about that much. So if you want a little side part, you can have that. I do think you'll have to press it down with some heat to make it lay all the way flat. And I have a twist under here, so mine is not laying completely flat. And this cap to me is very, very big. So I don't know if this will work for someone that has a small head, because to me, the cap is too big. Even in the back, it comes down very far. And it's not tight. See how loose it is back here. But you can see the length of it. And that's just about all of it pulled to the back. So it comes up to your bra strap. So like I said, I think it's about a 22 inch. It does have a little bit of layers around the face. How it separates here though, it's a little weird. It's not laying right. So you would have to use some kind of heat or something to correct how it lays so that it lays properly. You would have to put something in the parting space as well. I personally would cut some layers in this because it's just blunt. Really doesn't have many layers, only framed around the face, and that is it. And like I said, this is a very thick density unit. It's not thin at all. If that's what you're looking for, something really thin, it is not. It's more like a full thick head of hair. Way more hair than I have my natural hair when I straighten it out. But it is pretty. It doesn't have that much color through it to me. You can see some up under and through the front, but it doesn't have a tremendous amount of that 27 pulled through it. So I would recommend it, not highly recommend it, but I would recommend it if you are looking for something that looks human and fairly thick, especially if you have thick hair, then this will be the unit for you. That is it, guys. I'm not going to do anything to this one at all. I just wanted to give you guys a review of what it looks like straight out of the package. So once again, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please thumbs up the video, like, comment, and share. All the information about this unit will be listed in the information box below, so click down there first and check. I will link to several sites that you can get this unit from, so that you have several options, so that you can get the color that you like, because some sites sell out of popular colors very fast. So yeah, that is it. So once again, thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.